Are you here? Yeah, I guess you are here. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, welcome. No, 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 let me welcome you. I will appreciate you being here, but I gotta stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Stay and watch. It's an easy tutorial that I'm gonna teach you about carp poncho, carp poncho. I was there, my niece brought it out to me. Said, "Yeah, I want you to do this one." And I said, "What?" I said, "Okay, then I'll do it for her." So it's an easy with a pleat in front with the bottoms at the back. So simple. You can put on any top that you want to put on, ladies. These are things, man. Show some love. As far as we're here, I'm showing love to you. Gotta show love to me. Do you understand? By subscribe it, press on notification bell, ask me a question. Yep. Anything that you wanna ask, just ask me. I'll give you an answer. Let's share ideas. That if you want something that you want me to go on tutorial on that, teach you how to do it, just leave it on the comment below and we're gonna do it. Do you understand? We're gonna do it. Do it. We go details to details. There's nothing to hide here. So let's get started. You need to get your fabric. Yeah, then you fold it to 4. This is gonna be like a square. You gotta know the length, how long you want it to be. So this is 11.5. Mostly you gotta check the back. You gotta use the longest, the widest one. That's what you're gonna use. If you want the back to be 20, then you have to measure here 20 and deduct 2 from it, because you're gonna pull the front back. But if you want the front and the back to be the same thing, you just have to leave it like that. If it's 20, 20, you don't have to deduct anything, because this one we're gonna put the front, so you're gonna add another fabric to the back. So I want the front to be 8.5. So here is 9. I'll put a line in the inside, so I will show half from that part. And the length, the back length, I want it to be 13.5. So I measure 14 here. So you can see one is long, one is short. So you give it a nice press, you fold it again to get the middle of it. You will see after you press, you're gonna see all the lines will come. So this is how the line is. I mark this place for me to know where the short place is. So that's the line that I marked. So I measured 3 inch in front. And I measure 1.5 at the back. The length is 22.5. Because I want to put a pleat in front, so you have to let the front to be big. Add your pleat allowance to your neck. So when you're done, you just have to cut the neck out. So simple, easy. If you are feeling me, just subscribe it, press on the notification bell. Anytime that I post something great, you'll be the first person to see. So this is the lining. You just have to fold the lining into 2 rather, and put it on it like this. Make sure you pin it down. Then you just have to cut it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell. The more you subscribe, the more it motivates me to put something great out there. More video will come. So I'll just cut the back into two. That's the back, that's the place that I'm gonna put the bottom. The bottom. So this is how it's gonna look like. That is the wrong side and the wrong side of the fabric. So I'll put the right side and the right side together. This is the wrong side. So this is how it's gonna be. If you don't want to make no pleat, you just have to sew it like that and just go around and leave 2 or 2.5 allowance. But here, if I want to make a pleat, I just have to fold it again, press it down to get the middle of the front. So that's the middle of the front. We make our pleat out there. You do the same thing to the lining. After you make it like this, you have to pin only the top side of the neck, not the bottom side, only the top side. If you are loving this tutorial, make sure you subscribe, to like, press the notification bell so that you're gonna enjoy more video. You pin only the top to hold it down and leave the bottom because we are going to sew across. Here we teach everything, how to cut and how to sew it. So you sew around it from the neck. But when you reach the bottom, you gotta open it and sew. Don't sew across it, open it, then you sew. Do the same thing to the front lining. So this is how it's gonna look. You gotta sew around it from the neck, go around it, you open the pleat around it and leave 2 inches. You can leave 2.5. It depends how you wanna leave it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let other people to benefit it, Don't be the only one benefiting from this tutorial. So like and share and you comment. If you don't understand certain part in this tutorial, you just have to leave a comment and ask. If you like it, give me the like thumb button, press on the notification bell, subscribe it and share. So you're gonna sew around it. So you turn it over. You take your time. When you're done, make sure you iron it. Give it a nice iron. You can see we are done. Subscribe, press on the notification bell, click on the notification bell, give me a comment, like and share. Let others enjoy. You can see the pleat. So beautiful. So this is the allowance that we left. So we're gonna sew and close that part. That part's supposed to go inside. So anytime that you wanna leave a space that you turn it over, you have to make sure you check that part will go inside. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe it, like and share and comment. Put the bottom at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe it. This is more Fashion City. See how beautiful it looks like. We done. We done. I'm out. Shalom. Peace.